Sergeant Major, deliver the colors to the commanding officer. Ladies and gentlemen, we now come to the ceremony's most solemn moment, the actual passing of command. The battle colors of a Marine Corps unit symbolize the authority of command by Colonel Pace, and by accepting the colors, Brigadier General Ingram accepts the duties from Commandant of the Marine Corps to Colonel Gregory Pace, subject, relinquishment of command. Effective 10/23 July 2026, you stand relieved of your duties as commanding officer, Marine Corps Installations East. Signed, Eric M. Smith, General, United States Marine Corps, Commandant of the Marine Corps. From Commandant of the Marine Corps to Brigadier General Andre M. Ingram, subject, assumption of command. Effective 10/20.